Bitcoin in the house, baby. Bitcoin against the US dollar. This is the day chart here, you can see. Anyways, things are looking good. Now, I've said before that this is the price here, 56,114. Now, I've said before that I think that we're probably going to do a W here. Okay, so you can see there it's starting, and then we're going to do a little bit of a hop, a bounce from there. Okay, so it looks like we're going to do a major run up here. You can see we have divergence happening here. That's going down, and it's hidden divergence, and that going up. That's a good sign. Let's check out another time frame. Okay, so here's, you can see on the 4 hour where the W is about to form. Okay, so it's come up here, and it's probably going to do something like that. So it's not going to be a complete perfect W, but it's going to be a sort of W. The same sort of W that we had before, the W like this. Okay, so there was a W there, there's a kind of a W there, and there'll be a kind of a W there. Okay, so that's what I think is going to happen here. So we might come down to 55,800 or so, and then again, you know, it might not even. Let's just look at this clearly. Probably, you know, maybe 50. It could drop another $600 or something. Okay, so maybe like that. So it's not going to be a perfect W, but I think we're going to have some, you know, some support, quite a bit of support, because I don't think people really want to sell at this point. They can see that it's going up again, and it's going to be a kind of sort of W. So that's what I think about it. Let's take a look at the 1 month chart, and this is the 1 month chart again here. This is the most important chart, and you can see we've had just the crossover there. And like I was telling everybody before, we had massive amounts of hidden divergence there. And I told everybody that this thing was going to fire up because of this divergence down here. And it did exactly that. That's what happens with divergence, hidden divergence. You get the divergence going down, and then once the hidden divergence crosses over, you know, once this crosses over there, you get that firing up. Anyways, that's what happened there. Let's take a look at the next coin. Okay, here we are at Binance coin. And you can see this indicator here went to buy. It's showing buy. Price action went up. The indicator was previously red over here, and now it's green. It says buy. And you can see this is going to turn over there, and I think it's going to come down to this moving average here, that purple moving average, and then up. Okay, so just remember, this is not financial advice. Here's the day chart. Okay, you can see that's a day chart, and you can see these are coming down here, but at the same time this is going sideways. So when this goes up, it'll probably do a little bit of a W and then up, and that's gonna pull this up and pull that up. Okay, so that's what I think is gonna happen with Binance coin. A little bit of a W, A little bit of a W pattern and up. Okay, so this is not financial advice. Like I always say, you know, check with your financial advisor before you do anything. The price is 271. And this indicator on the day chart, you know, this green indicator, it's showing, you know, green from way back here. And it's still green. Okay, so, you know, you don't, sometimes these indicators are wrong, but it's looking pretty good. And you can see this moving average here, this purple moving average. Price action is staying above the 50. It's almost come down here. It's stayed above it, came close to it. And anyways, this is looking really strong because of the hidden divergence here. You know, so that's what I think about Binance. I think that it's probably going to go up in price, you know, soon, maybe this week. It's already making a move right now, but I still think it's going to be a W here. Okay, so give me a thumbs up if you like these technical analysis. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Hit that notification bell beside the subscribe button. And I want everybody to have a fantastic day.